Now we're getting to the end of the course, and it is very important that after you must have been implementing all the skills I've taught you in this course, you should be able to measure results. So in this part of the course, I'm going to explain to you the KPIs you should look out for. And when I mean KPI, I mean key performance indicators. The factors you should consider when you're trying to measure the performance of all your SEO endeavors. The first one, your search engine results ranking. Once in a while, you need to put in your keywords that are relevant to you alone, or the name of your company, the name of your brand, your website name. Put it inside the search engine and see how you rank. It's as simple as that. In the resource section below, I'm going to put in a link to a website where you can see, you input a keyword and see how you rank based on that keyword, how the search engine ranks you based on that keyword. So the first performance indicator you should look out for is your search engine ranking.